We can restore your home. Kowalski can restore your home. What you don't want to do is end up in the emergency room with a fractured spine falling off a wet roof. And the story about the light fixture, we had a call in January in the rain, and a client of ours said, well, it's only coming out of the ceiling fan. And I said, but if I remember right, that's a remote ceiling fan. She says, yes, it is. I said, well, there's electricity live to that constantly. Mm-hmm. I said, let me send somebody over. Let's take that fan down.
Right.
And then we'll deal with everything else later. But any of those battery remote controlled fans are wired 120 live, constant.
Absolutely.
Safety, safety, safety.
Rosie on the house, every Arizona home.